Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Geography. This is part 2 video with 50 question and answers. Please refer our part 1 video also. Please subscribe to our channel. Let's see the video. First question. Which of the following is the disadvantage of renewable energy? Answer is option A, unrenewable supply. Next question. Which of the following is normally used in solar cookers for trapping solar energy? Answer is option B, mirrors. Next question. A solar cell is an electrical device that converts the energy of light directly into electricity by the answer is option C, photovoltaic effect. Next question. Which among the following have a large amount of installed grid interactive renewable power capacity in India? Answer is option D, wind power. Next question. Which energy source is the largest source used in India? Answer is option A, LPG. Next question. The world's first 100% solar powered airport located at? Answer is option A, Cochin, Kerala. Next question. Which of the following produces energy because of temperature difference at various levels in ocean? Answer is option B, ocean thermal energy. Next question. Which method is used to produce electricity in hydroelectric power plant? Answer is option C, by running dynamo by kinetic energy. Next question. In hydroelectric power, what is necessary for the production of power throughout the year? Answer is option D, dams filled with water. Next question. Which of the following is the component of biogas? Answer is option A, methane. Next question. When animals and plants are rotten in the absence of air, there produces a gas called? Answer is option A, biogas. Next question. Trapped heat inside earth is known as? Answer is option B, geothermal energy. Next question. Which method is used to produce electricity in thermal power plant? Answer is option C, by boiling water. Next question. Which of the following is not under the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? Answer is option D, fuel energy. Next question. Which of the following is the odd one out? Answer is option A, hydroelectricity. Next question. Plants, materials and waste from living things are regarded as? Answer is option A, biomass. Next question. The latitudinal extent of Tamil Nadu is? Answer is option B, 8 degree 5 latitude north to 13 degree 35 degree latitude north. Next question. The longitudinal extent of Tamil Nadu is? Answer is option C, 76 degree 18 latitude east to 80 degree 20 latitude east. Next question. The highest peak in Tamil Nadu is? Answer is option D, Toddabetta. Next question. Which of the following passes is not located in the western Ghats of Tamil Nadu? Answer is option A, Borghat. Next question. Which one of the following rivers is flowed into the Arabian Sea? Answer is option A, Periyar. Next question. The district with largest mangrove forest cover in Tamil Nadu is? Answer is option B, Kadalur. Next question. The forest cover of Tamil Nadu as per 2017 Indian Forest Report is? Answer is option C, 20.21%. Next question. retreating monsoon wind picks up moisture from? Answer is option D, Bay of Bengal. Next question. Which of the following district is affected by sand dunes to a larger extent? Answer is option A, Ramanathapuram. Next question. The district which has the largest forest cover in Tamil Nadu is? Answer is option A, Dharmaburi. Next question. Match the list with list 2. List 1, winter season, summer season, southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon, mango shower. List 2, pre-monsoon, June to September, March to May, January and February, October to December. Let's see the answer. Answer is winter season is October to December. Summer season is March to May. Southwest monsoon is June to September. Northeast monsoon is October to December. Mango shower is pre-monsoon. So the answer is option D. Next question. Assertion A. Tamil Nadu does not receive much rainfall from southwest monsoon. Reason are, it is situated in the rain shadow area of the Western Ghats. Let's see the answer. Both A and R are true and R explains the A. That is, reason explains the assertion. Next question. Assertion. Red soil is rich in iron oxide. Reason are, it is formed by leaching. Let's see the answer. Both A and R are true, but R does not explain the assertion. Next question. A landmass bounded by sea on three sides is referred to as? Answer is option A, peninsula. Next question. Mountain ranges in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called as? Answer is option A, Purvachal. Next question. The western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as? Answer is option B, Kannad. Next question. The highest peak in the eastern Ghats is? Answer is Jinka Gada. Next question. Outermost range of Himalayas is called as? Option A, Shivaliks. Next one. Oldest landmass is? Answer is option A, Gondwana land. Next question. Which river divides the peninsular plateau into two parts? Answer is option A, Narmada. Next question. Karbi Angolang plateau located in? Answer is option B, Assam. Next one. The rivers of Arunachal Himalayas have the highest hydroelectric potential in the country because of? Answer is option C, availability of water. Next one. The wet and swampy belt of the northern region is known locally as? Answer is option A, Terai. Next one. The origin of Himalayas can best be explained by? Answer is option A, theory of plate tectonics. Next one. Which of the following are Yangfol mountains? Answer is option A, the Himalayas. Next one. Which part of the Himalayas is perennially snow bound? Answer is option B, Great Himalayas or Himadri. Next one. Loktak Lake is situated in the state of? Answer is C, Manipur. Next one. A narrow gap in a mountain range providing access to the other side is? Answer is option D, pass. Next one. What is El Nino? Answer is option A, it is the warming of oceans and atmosphere. Next one. The driest parts which are the prone to frequent drought lie in which of the states in India? Answer is option A, Rajasthan. Next one. Major causes of drought in India. 1. rainfall is inadequate. 2. Rainfall is uneven. 3. Deforestation. 4. Soil erosion. Let's see the answer. Option D, that is 2 and 3 are correct. That is rainfall is uneven and deforestation are the major causes of drought in India. Next one. Child stunting is projected to increase by dash by 2050 compared to a scenario without climatic change. Answer is 35%. Next one. Extremely high temperatures in northern India dash have had a substantial negative effect on wheat yields. Answer is option D, above 35 degrees centigrade. Next one. Dash rise in the world's average temperatures will make India's summer monsoon highly unpredictable. Answer is option B, 2 degrees centigrade. Thank you friends. Please subscribe to our channel.